Power is connected, but your Ninja Swirl screen won't light up. If the display is blank, frozen, or not reacting at all, here's how to fix it fast, without guessing. Step 1. Confirm power to the outlet. Plug in another device to double-check the outlet is working. If it's a GFCI outlet, press the reset button. Swirl won't turn on if there's no consistent power flow. Step 2. Unplug the unit for 60 seconds. Sometimes a basic reset clears up display glitches. Unplug the machine, wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in, and press the power button slowly and firmly. Step 3. Check the lid and handle position. The display won't activate if the safety locks aren't engaged. Make sure the lid is twisted on fully and the handle is pressed all the way down. Try reassembling everything from scratch and lock it in firmly. Step 4. Inspect for moisture or damage around the control panel. If water or mix has dripped near the buttons or screen, it may have shorted or disabled part of the interface. Gently dry the panel and let it air out. Never use heat. Step 5. Try a different power outlet or use a surge protector. Voltage irregularities or overloads can prevent the screen from powering up. Move to a new outlet, or better yet, use a surge protector to help prevent future issues. Still no response? The control board or internal connection may be damaged. Use the support link in the description to check your repair or replacement options. If this helped you get your display working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for real-world appliance solutions. And if you want to protect your machine long-term, we've linked a surge protector below that's perfect for kitchen appliances. Thanks for watching, and power up smart!